Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartwatches, the Honor Choice Watch and Redmi Watch 4. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both smartwatch comes with 580 water grade. When it comes to display features, they offer AMOLED display. Honor Choice Watch comes with 1.95 inches and Redmi Watch 4 comes with 1.97 inches. Next, compare the battery features. Redmi Watch 4 comes with up to 20 days of battery life, and Honor Choice Watch comes with up to 12 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Both two devices come with Bluetooth 5.3 and GPS. Let's compare the sensor features and price. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.